Welcome to the product overview for Fast2 SMS, a multi-channel communications platform engineered for bulk messaging, OTP verification, and customer engagement. Starting on the dashboard, the platform enforces Straddle compliance with dedicated registration guides and sender ID management for enterprise messaging. In the Smart OTP module, businesses can deploy single-use passcodes across both SMS and WhatsApp channels. The interface provides granular security controls, allowing administrators to configure max verification attempts and retry intervals, while developers can utilize robust REST APIs for seamless backend integration. Beyond standard SMS, Fast2 SMS includes a complete WhatsApp business suite featuring an interactive live chat inbox and automated chatbot flow builder. For rich branded media experiences, the RCS module enables custom enterprise onboarding directly within the platform. Contact management is centralized in the address book, supporting custom groups and QR-based subscriber list building. For campaign tracking, the real-time analytics module visualizes delivery throughput across all active channels with itemized status logs and instant export capabilities. For developers, the Dev API portal provides copy-ready curl requests, API key generation, and configurable webhooks for real-time message status callbacks. Complete with transaction history logs, security controls, and a white-label reseller program, Fast2 SMS delivers an end-to-end communication infrastructure.
Do you have a similar vision for a game-changing application? Or are you looking to develop a custom platform that pushes the boundaries of technology? We're here to help you build it. Let's turn your idea into the next industry standard. Get in touch with HackerKernel today.